what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here if you like and subscribe. I'm finally back at the parks for the epic holidays over here at Disneyland. So stay tuned and watch this epicness. When you first walked into the turnstiles, you'll be seeing this epicness of snow once you walk in. As always, as I panel here by the train station, got all Mickey in the center with new decorations. I said I do miss the Halloween time, but now we got the Christmas ornaments. It's definitely a spectacle. Can't wait to see this lit up at night. But Main Street here, looking beautiful as always. This time of season is a great holiday season.
We hope you'll share the spirit of the season by helping us light our Yuletide tree. So on the count of 3, everyone please join together in saying Happy Holidays. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Happy Holidays!
Oh, just walking down Main Street looks so beautiful, so spectacular. Maybe it might be even stupendous. On the way to check out the castle. Hopefully it's now fully decorated. Now the castle is fully decorated, as you guys can see. I zoom in here. Look at this epicness. Wow, such a beautiful castle. Maybe get a closer look. Now this right here is a nice review of the castle. I zoom in. Wow, great ornaments every year. Now this is a nice close-up right here. You guys should be able to see. Definitely need a photo pass to get a beautiful view here. So I ran into some friends and they told me there's a couple options to watch fireworks today. Either right here in front of the castle or the special viewing over there by Small World, since it's so colorful and magical. Definitely 2 options for me. I'm gonna wait for the parade here. Definitely gonna give you guys some footage of that. I can't wait to see what this season's holiday edition will be for this year. Now we're here in the center with Mickey and Walt. We got a nice little decoration on them or around them. You can see definitely the castle view from there. It's a pan out over here. You can see Main Street. Very crowded tonight.
Just look at this Yuletide celebration. Very impressive. Come on! Time for holiday fun for everyone. All right, everyone. Operation Christmas Time Playtime is a go.
nice little view of the tree right here. All the way up. Wow, it looks better at night. Now this is a nice epic close-up. All the way up. Most definitely worth the wait. Hey friend, get in there. Yeah, I like your new decoration. Everything looks nice, even you, look at you. Looking good as always. Let me see the shoes real quick.
The shoes? Oh, you look classic.
Yeah. Now this is an awesome overlay of Small World for the holiday season. Wow. It's a big line. I'm not going to be able to do that one tonight. Well, that does it here for me at Disneyland for this year's opening day at the holidays. As always, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Deuce.